Hello everyone. In this lecture video, I'm going to show you how to create shareable links in your Microsoft 365 Word app. Note that all of you as MCTC students have access to Microsoft Word through your Microsoft 365 accounts. And to get there, you can go to your email, your KCTCS email app, or you can go to My Path, that's where I am here, and go up to the top left corner and look for the 9-dot box icon. That's your Microsoft 365 app launcher right here. So we click on it, and then you can see all the apps that you have access to through Microsoft 365. You have Whiteboard, Teams, PowerPoint, Excel, and then a bunch of other apps that some of your instructors might ask you to access at some point. Today we're going to focus on Microsoft Word, and obviously to create a Word file we can just click on Word, but I'm going to do this through OneDrive so I can show you how to organize your files before we start to create files. So we click on OneDrive, and that's your cloud database that you have access to. It stores all of your files in the cloud so that you can access them from anywhere and never lose access to them. So I go to My Files rather than Home because that's where I have everything organized. And we're going to first create a folder. We're just going to go up here and click Add New, and I'm going to select Folder, and then I'm going to create a folder name. I recommend creating folders for each class that you take. So here we're going to have an English 102, and I'm just going to title it that. So English 102, and then it's organized alphabetically for me, so it's down here in the order of my folder titles. So I'll click on that, go in, and then I am going to create a Word document in this folder. I'm going to click Add New again, but this time I'm going to go down to Word Document, and the Word document will pop up in a new window, and there I have my Microsoft Word document in my class folder. Now that we've created the file, we're going to retitle it. In Microsoft Word 365, whenever you create a new document, it's just titled Document or Document 1, 2, 3, whatever number of untitled document that you're working on. So you'll want to retitle it to help you find it better later. So I recommend titling the document after the assignment that you're working on if you're creating a file for a particular class. And so if you're working on a research paper, title it research paper. If you're working on discussion board post 3, title it that. If you're working on a literary analysis paper or a research paper, whatever the title of the assignment is in the class, go ahead and title your file that after that assignment. And so here I'm going to call it the deliberative research essay because that's what I'm working on. And then the other thing you might do, just to make it easier for your instructor, if you're sharing the file with your instructor, you put your name after the title of the assignment. I often do that for my teachers if I'm taking a class. So here I'll just go ahead and put my name on it, Aaron McCullough, and then we're done with titling the file. Okay, lastly, we're going to create a shareable link. So you're going to go to the blue share box icon in the top right corner. Right up here, we're going to click on that and then click Share from the drop-down box. Then a new window pops up, and the next step is to look for the gear icon right down here between Copy Link and Send. We're going to click on that, and then from this pop-up window, we're going to do two things. We're going to select who the links works for, and here you can select everybody in KCTCS if you want. I'm going to select people you choose. That's already selected here. And then we can go down to more settings, and we can tell Microsoft Word what we want these people to be able to do. To only review, only view, and maybe they can't download. In this case, we're going to select Can Edit, and then we're going to apply these settings. After we've applied these settings, we'll go back to the first pop-up window and add who we want to be able to edit. And just right here gives us the instructions, and we've got can edit, and we're going to look for names. So in this case, for this class, you're going to want to give me editor privileges, and so you can just type in my name and I should pop up. I am Aaron W. McCullough, faculty at Maysville, so we'll select that. And then from here we could send it to me, or, and this is what I will generally ask you to do when you're submitting an assignment that I need editor privileges for, we'll just go down here and copy the link, and now it's copied into our clipboard. We can go to the assignment and then paste the link into the assignment box, and that's all you'll need to do. All right, guys, that's all for today, and it's as easy as that, and take care.